Hello, in this video we will discuss about the water pollution, infection and prevention. So we will understand about what is the water pollution and the type of water pollution. So let's begin to understand. First is the introduction. So 85 to 75% water in our body, which that is water is essential for normal physiology and the normal function, the water balance, the biochemistry in our body and homeostasis. So the water is crucial and play important role in our body. Without water we can't survive. So the basic survivalship is we are totally dependent to the water. If water is not present, so our life is not present. So the water is so important. So the ocean sea is 90% salt water, which that is not a table water, but the table water is 2 to 1% in fresh water in the form of river, and which that are present basically inside of the ground, which that is known as groundwater. And the world population increased to increase development, industries, cities life, sewerage in the river from city life. 2% fresh water is known as a table water is going to infected by the several diseases by pathogen and chemical. When we will intake, when we will drink the water, we can serve the different type of disease. For example, the pathogenic disease or chemical disease. So the revolutionary changes lead to industrialization will increase the chemicals, and the basically the garbage addition will lead to pollutant, and the hepatitis B virus, hepatitis C virus, and the carcinogen, the bacteria, virus, fungi, which that will lead to infection in our body. And the arsenic is the lead, and the polythene or PVC, which that will lead to cause the pollution in the water. So in this case here you can see the Helicobacter pylori, which that is the virus, bacteria, which that will lead to cause the ulcer in our stomach, and the ant amoeba histolytica, which that will lead to increase the disease and diarrhea, vomiting, inflammation, pneumonia, cancerous agent, which that is add in the water due to the water pollution. So here you can see this is the 1800 to 2022, which has graph showing that is the increasing of the pollution drastically due to the sewerage in river, industrialization and inorganic products. While the industrialization causes acidic gases combined with water to acid rain, which that will kill the other. And here is the air condition, which that produce the chlorofluorocarbon, which that will deplete the ozone layer, also cause the water pollution due to the acidic rain, due to the phosphorus, nitric oxide, sulfur and other component, which that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and carbon, which that is vehicle will produce due to the burning effect of the petrol, which that will lead to cause the infection. And this infection due to the water, which that will lead to abdominal pain, and there is a lot of diseases and DNA damage. Epigenetic modification will lead to cause cancer. So the oncogenesis will be occur due to the damage of the DNA. So that's all things which that will impact in our body. And the type of water pollution can be a chemical pollution, groundwater pollution, microbiological pollution and nutrient pollution, oxygen depletion pollution. When oxygen will decrease, the pollution will cause, and the surface water pollution. So let's begin to understand one by one what is the chemical pollution. So the integral component of the agricultural industry, pesticides, insecticide and metal ions will absorb during the farming, and which that will be go into the groundwater and will lead to cause the disease due to that toxic metal, which that infect. And groundwater pollution is the water contaminated water pollution through sewerage in the river from the city to river. Microbiological pollution is the naturally occurring biolife infiltration river like algae, protozoa, and fungi which that will damage the water and pollute the water. That is the pollutant. A natural pollution is the nutrient pollution is can upset the delicate imbalance of water-based ecosystem, fauna and flora which the in the river and ocean which that will be damaged, and the nutrition which that cause the pollution. And oxygen depletion pollution is the algal blooms is their consumption of oxygen supplies. This means that those anaerobic depend which depends upon oxygen to survive are killed off, which anaerobic ones thrive, and in this way the pollution can cause. And the surface water pollution is the monitoring has an all important role in natural flood management, which can lead to poor water quality. Sanitary, it can occur both naturally and unnaturally. So let's begin to understand the management of water pollution, how to get the pollution from the water, and how to be a healthy life. So the drink after bacterial in bacteria and fungal or algal pathogen killed and removed through the different strategy we can use to clean the water. So here we will just understand about the different strategy for the prevention of the water pollution when we will drink, but the whole world we can't change. So here you can see the radiation and the boiling, which that is the important part for the pollution free water, but throughout the world is difficult. And distillation, which that is important, which that will clean completely, but the other mineral which that will deplete due to the distillation, so it is not a good thing. But you can see the filtration and chlorination and distillation collectively we can do to clean the water and contamination free water. Use water bottle from shops and distilled water or mineral water, which that is we can manage water pollution. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share this video, and I hope you get this concept about the water pollution infection and prevention.